Good morning, all of you. I hope you are doing well. So, this is Poonam Mahendru, your English teacher. Last week, we have discussed the first part of Lost Spring. That was sometimes I found a rupee in the garbage. It was about a boy Sahib who was a rag picker. We'll just have a quick review of that. That the theme of the chapter is poverty stricken and child labor. Sahib, he was a rag picker, and everyone in the village, he was being migrated from Bangladesh to a place in Delhi, that is Simapuri, and everyone in the village, they used to pray to the goddess about the shoes. And at the end of the chapter, the whole chapter revolves around poverty and child labor. Today we will be discussing another short story of the same chapter, that is I Want to Drive a Car. This story revolves around a boy Mukesh. In first part the character was Sahib and he was a rag picker. In second story the character is Mukesh and he was a child laborer in a glass factory in Firozabad. Now this all of us know that Firozabad is very famous for bangle making. तो फिरोज़ाबाद में क्या होता था that every family, even the children, they were involved in bangle making. Like it was being enforced on them. क्योंकि कोई और काम वहाँ था नहीं, तो it was being enforced on them. So Mukesh, he was a child laborer in a glass factory in Firozabad. But the wish of Mukesh was that he want to be his own master. अब साहिब जो हमने लास्ट पार्ट में पढ़ा, साहिब अपना खुद का मास्टर नहीं बन पाया, but Mukesh, he want to be his own master. Now what is the dream of Mukesh? The dream of Mukesh is that he want to be a motor mechanic. The Mukesh, he wishes to be a motor mechanic. The author, that is Anis Jung, she asked Mukesh that if he knows anything about cars. Like obviously अगर अब आपको मोटर मैकेनिक बनना है तो आपको कार्स की नॉलेज या नॉलेज अबाउट द ऑटोमोबाइल्स वो होनी चाहिए if you want to be a mechanic. So Mukesh, what he has replied is, he says that he want to learn to drive a car. He says that first I want to learn to drive a car and after that I want to be a motor. Now what she feels is that the author feels that the dream of Mukesh, it is like a mirage. मतलब it is just a dream कि जो कभी पूरी नहीं हो सकती. Why? Because it is there in the dusty streets of Firozabad. फैमिली के हर एक मेंबर को अपनी लाइवलीहुड के लिए बैंगल मेकिंग इंडस्ट्री में इन्वॉल्व होना ही पड़ता था. Every second family in Firozabad is engaged in the business of bangle making. And Firozabad, like we have already discussed, that it is the center of India's glass blowing industries, where generations after generations have been involved in the business. So the main business there in Firozabad was bangle making. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और जो पॉवर्टी इंडिकेट करती है, that living conditions were miserable in Firozabad, but both humans and animals, they both lived together in these hovels. In these hovels hovel is a small dirty and simply constructed building. अब तो जो हाउसेज हैं, द हाउसेज आर वेल मेंटेन्ड एंड वेल कंस्ट्रक्टेड, बट इवन इफ यू हैव बी विजिटेड द स्लम एरियाज, राइट, सो स्लम एरियाज में आपने देखा होगा कि हाउ द पीपल दे कंस्ट्रक्ट देयर हाउसेज. तो इट इज़ अ स्मॉल डर्टी हाउस और एक बहुत सिंपल तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्ट की हुई बिल्डिंग थी जिसमें ह्यूमन बींग्स और एनिमल्स साथ ही रहते थे. एंड इट वॉज देयर, इट वॉज वन पार्ट वॉज बीन thatched with dead grass, कि एक तरफ आपका ऐसे ग्रास पड़ी हुई है, द डेड ग्रास. अब दो द कंडीशन वॉज मिजरेबल, ऑथर विजिट्स मुकेश हाउस. Mukesh requested and Mukesh proudly announces that his house is being rebuilt and volunteers to take the author home. Right? He said that I'll take you to my home, and my home is a new house now and it has been rebuilt, but it was half-built shack with thatched dead grass roof and a wobbly iron door. But Mukesh was fortunate, Mukesh was happy. He was thinking this way that everybody there in Firozabad, they were not having their own houses. बट आई एम फॉर्चुनेट कि एटलीस्ट मेरा जो घर है वो खुद का घर है, and that is why he considered himself very fortunate. So when the author entered a half-built shack, one part of which is being thatched with the dead grass, and a young woman was cooking the evening meal for the whole family. The phrase which is being used here, the adjective which is being used for the female is, that is a frail female. Now this young lady who was responsible for the family members' welfare and cooking, she was Mukesh's elder brother's wife. That is, she was Bhabhi of Mukesh. And she has a respect of Bahu in the family. She veils her face when Mukesh father enters. Veils is घूंघट निकालना, अपना face cover करना. VEIL. Now the Bhabhi of Mukesh, she veils her face when Mukesh father enters. Why? Because Mukesh father, he was the head of the family, and he was unable to renovate his house. It was being rebuilt, but itna proper renovate nahi hua, but they were fortunate that they are having their own house. And Mukesh father, he was unable to provide education to his two sons, that is Mukesh and his elder brother, and is the only thing which he can hand over is the art of bangle making, because this was the thing which Mukesh father knows, and this was the thing in which Mukesh father was expert. So this was the art which he has given to both his sons, that is Mukesh and his elder brother. So this is all for today. We'll just have a quick review of what we have studied today. First is, we have started the second part of the Lost Spring, that is about Mukesh. Mukesh, he was a child laborer in a glass factory in Firozabad, and he wanted to be a motor mechanic. But the working conditions in the furnaces, it was very poorly ventilized, and the children, they lose their eyesight at the early stage. And the living conditions in Firozabad were also miserable. The people, they were very poor. They were not having their own houses. And Mukesh found himself very fortunate that he was having his own house. At the end, I just want to say that the session should be interactive, because effective communication skills का भी यही रूल है कि आप one way communication कभी भी इतनी effective नहीं होती. I have received response only from 4 to 5 students regarding the doubts, regarding the solving of assignments. So it is a request that whatever the doubts are, please post your doubts in the school group, the class group of the school. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Waiting eagerly for all of you.